What if we threw them a piece of shrimp?
They'd probably come over here and fucking harass us.
Throw them a piece of shrimp, Tom.
These are wild ones. No, these ain't the tame ones that live in the city. There's actually 3 different type of Canadian geese. There's a medium-sized one, a tall one, a medium-sized, and a small one.
Those are bigger than what I saw.
These are smaller. These geese are a little bit smaller than the ones that hang around Big Lake.
Come right up to us. They're not scared of us at all. I bet you throw a piece of shrimp to them, they'll eat.
Yeah.
5 of them. I only counted 4 at first. There's 5 of them.
Going the other way now, though.
That's neat. You think Mom's in front, or is that Dad?
That's Dad. He's
Dad's
taking
in
it.
front, Mom's in the back?
Yep.
He directs where we're going, and she makes the motion of how fast we're going to get there.
Yep.
You got to be proud of that.
Yeah.
Backwoods, Iowa.
Backwoods, Iowa. That's what this is, Backwoods, Iowa. Countatucky.
Council Bluffs, they call it Kentucky. John Moe and Tom Lingo's Adventures.
Yeah, Adventures in Tom Lingo and John Bow.